Abaqus Tutorial Lesson 81, a simple scrap of 2D random circles. The video is very humane. If you like this video, do you know? Subscribe. Okay? I will give the file. Okay. Circle 2D. Double click. Okay. Control A. Control C. Here, Control V. Well, okay, value. Next, has. Oh no. For example, understand? Next, minimum radius. For example, 4 millimeter gap. Understand? Gap value. Okay. This value is read. If the value equal 0, radius will not change. If you give the value 0.1, the radius will change bigger. Random circle radius will bigger. The value, the radius, understand? Okay. Okay, run. Just wait a second. Okay, finished. You can change. Double click section sketch. Okay, you can change. For example, then double click. Okay, change. How to operate 2D to 3D method. Double click. Save sketch as. Okay, done. Create 3D part. Solid extrusion. Continue. Okay, done. Depth 100. Okay, did you follow me? Okay, I will give you the file. My Chinese WeChat advertising time, my email. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.